Hey guys, welcome to Define Agile. This is Anatoly and this is a channel we're talking everything agile tools. This is the third video reviewing advanced Agile and Kanban boards. And this is also an interesting one because I'm going to show you how to run retrospectives right in your Jira. No need for Confluence, no need for external tools, everything in Jira using this cool plugin. I want to thank the team behind the plugin for sponsoring the video. Thank you very much. Really appreciate that. So let's start. To run retrospectives, it's best to have a separate project. Kanban project, I called mine Define Agile Retrospectives. So it's company managed Kanban project. So we meet with a team and then we might be on a Zoom call or in a meeting with a projected screen and we discuss, okay, what are some of the issues? And then we write down the issues as stories. We say, let's say our meetings were too long, so we write it down. Stand up, people do not attend. Oh, our release went well. We have a bunch of bugs for feature one. And then we need, let's say, we have a bunch of bugs for our scheduling app. So we write it all down into stories, then we go through each single one of them and discuss the solutions. And here already I have set up some of the solutions. So I have issue, meetings are too long, so we're moving that in description, maybe adding some more data, and then solution we're putting as a summary for the story. So we go one by one. Set meetings time to 35 minutes. Let's say we decide on that because meetings were for too long. Put stand-up attendance in Confluence to track it because people don't show on stand-ups. We will organize release celebration because release went well. We will address technical debt in feature one, and we will rewrite app scheduling. So we did two things. First, we figure out what the issues are, and then we came up with some solutions. But as you know, we also need to figure out what can we take, what are the most important things. This 80-20 rule, we're focusing on the most important things, but also want to see which of them are low-hanging fruits, which of them we can also easily do. And we'll start with the ones that are more important and easier to do. To map that out, we will use Advanced Agile and Kanban boards. So let me show you how that looks. Let me click on Advanced Agile boards here. This is the Advanced Agile board I have. I'll show you how I got there. So I create a value mapping board. And then if you want to look at my settings, so my columns and swim lanes, I have issue field story points on one end, and I have labels on as a swim lane, story points as a column. And then I have my agile retrospectives as a project, and my issue types is story group by parent. So pretty simple. It scaffolded me story points. So there's like 1, 2, 3. I renamed them and removed some of them. So let's say if you go to small, it will create a 1 story point. Then the medium will create 2 story points. Large will create 5 story points. And extra large will create 23 story points. And then on the other side of the quadrant, we have the importance, always important, sometimes important, rarely important, never important. Now we have all our retrospective items and we can put them in this quadrant. So this quadrant will be it's small and always important, and on the other side will be extra large and never important. Here we can prioritize. We go one by one. We say, okay, set meeting time to 35 minutes. How important is that? We discussed to the team, well, I think somebody says, well, I think it's really important because we're wasting our time and time is money. So it's very important. How easy it is to change the meetings to 35 minutes? Well, we have to talk to stakeholders and it can take some time. So let's say it's always important, but medium. And then put stand-up attendance in Confluence. How important that the people don't attend? When compared to setting up meeting, well, it's also important but less important, but also it is pretty easy to do. So we say small and sometimes important. Then organize release celebration. How hard it is? Well, that could be pretty hard, but how important it is? Well, morale is very important, so we really need to do that. So we'll say it's large and always important. address technical debt in feature 1. Well, there are a couple things we can address, won't be really hard, and it will help us to not have bugs. So we say it's always important and it's small. Then rewrite app scheduling. Well, we rarely use it, so probably it's rarely important, and also it is extra large. So now once we have that, we can make decisions. Okay, which of those action items we can take in a following sprint, let's say. For sure, we're taking everything in this quadrant, so address technical debt. Now we can create some issues in the actual project and put them there. Then we decide, okay, so sometimes important but small. I think we can put attendance to confluence as well. And then maybe we can take set meetings time to 35 minutes or split it out and do something related to that. Then maybe we can start organizing release celebration as well, because, well, it is very important. So we're going to put maybe some tasks related to that in our sprint, but then rewrite app scheduling, we're not going to touch right now because, well, it's extra large and it's rarely important. We don't think that we can take it. Maybe if we figure out everything else out, then we can go and take this on. So it's pretty simple, but it also allows you not to use any external tools and just use Confluence and one add-on to do retrospectives, which I think is cool. To me, that would be sufficient. And I know some teams are doing exactly that. They keep everything in Jira. They try not to go for too many tools and maybe add some add-ons to Jira to make it more efficient. And advanced Agile Kanban boards can do much more than that. You can watch 2 of my previous videos. So you can do like planning, you can do estimation, story mapping, retrospectives. So maybe this plugin, if you already have it or if you're planning to have it, you can use it in this way as well. Hope it brings you value. Please let me know. Comment if you have any questions. If you like it, please like and subscribe to spread it to more and more people. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you next one. Bye bye.